Are you getting annoyed by the gapi32.dll causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Access the official gapi32 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the gapi32, the Google API or generic API 32-bit shim, often used by applications to manage the unmanaged orchestration of cloud-based data links. It facilitates the synchronization of account manifests and handles the authentication handshakes between the local shell and remote services. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. gapi32 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the gapi32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Most individual downloads of gapi32 DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with gapi32. To keep gapi32 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.